Oh, hey. All alone. Ooh, hey, Cape Conran.
East of Marlo, where the coastline bends, there's a harder edge where the Long Beach ends.
Sand gives way to the rock and foam, and the Bass Strait wind comes driving home. Blue water shifting over reef and stone, a wild bright place with a mind of its own.
Salmon Rocks in the cool sea swell, the kind of coast that wears its weather well.
Cape Conran, where the sea wind calls, where the long sand ends and the rock face falls. Boats meet the water, but you watch that line. On a coast like this, you give the swell its time. Oh, hey, where the salt spray flies, cool Bass Strait under the open sky. Salmon Rocks and the white surf lie, a working edge of sea and stone made bright. The ramp runs down through the stone and sand, a useful mark on a restless land.
But it's still tide water when the surge rolls through,
And the rocks sit close if the swell gets up on you. Divers slip where the clear depths run, through cool green water under the sun. Snorkellers drift where the reef fish hide, and the blue sea breeze with the turning tide. Cape Conran, where the sea wind calls, where the long sand ends and the rock face falls. Boats meet the water, but you watch that line. On a coast like this, you give the swell its time. Oh, hey, where the salt spray flies, cool Bass Strait under the open skies. Salmon Rocks and the white surf light, a working edge of sea and stone made bright.
there's no soft promise in a place like this.
Just wind and stone and the salt sea hiss.
But that's the beauty, sharp and true.
The coast does not bend itself to you. Oh, hey, let the south wind blow.
Hey now, hey, watch the white cap show.
La la lo, where the reef runs clean. East of Marlo, where the sea turns green. Cape Conran, where the sea wind calls, where the long sand ends and the rock face falls. Boats meet the water, but you watch that line. On a coast like this, you give the swell its time. Oh, hey, where the salt spray flies, cool Bass Strait under the open sky. Salmon Rocks and a white surf light, a working edge of sea and stone made bright. Ooh, hey, Cape Conran. Ooh, hey, Cape Conran. Ooh, hey, Cape Conran. East of Marlo, where the wild rocks begin.